So thank you, VEERLE. To round off what VEERLE was talking about with men meeting men for sex in public baths, Magnus Hirschfeld, a German from Berlin, wrote in 1914 that gay Europeans love to come to the Nordic countries like Sweden because of the open-air baths. They liked going to these open-air baths and baths like Centralbadet because men would bathe naked at these facilities. And of course, that led to eye candy, and also that's where you could meet other gay men. The interesting thing about Hirschfeld is that he started in 1897 the first LGBT rights organization ever in the world, the Scientific Humanitarian Committee, Berlin 1897. And some of the irony of this organization is that it's 4 days it was started before Oscar Wilde was released for sodomy. And also he founded it just a few months before Franz and Lars, who are in our Stora Nygatan video, got arrested here in Stockholm for sodomy. The address here is Drottninggatan 88A, and this is the HÅRLEMAN estate. The house behind me is where Carl HÅRLEMAN lived most of his life. His mother built this house in 1710. She was the widow of the royal gardener, Carl HÅRLEMAN, and Eva Johanna HÅRLEMAN built this for her and her son. And this must have been a beautiful place in the 1700s. HÅRLEMAN went on to be a renowned architect here in Sweden in the 1700s. He finished up the palace after Nicodemus Tessin the Younger died. In fact, you can see a lot of his work in the stateroom, which has got a beautiful upper section that he did in Rococo. He also worked on the Chinese pavilion out at Drottningholm, the refurbishment of the Uppsala Cathedral, and the orangery at the Linné Gardens in Uppsala. The architecture for this building and Centralbadet is Art Nouveau, as you can see, and it's beautiful. It's flowery, inspired by nature, and flowing forms. The inside was beautiful, as you saw, and the outside here is beautiful too. It's built between 1902 and 1904, and you can see right over here is the architect. Say hi, Wilhelm. This is Wilhelm Klemming. One of the claims to fame for Centralbadet, if you really want to dig deep and you're a real engineering fan, is that Centralbadet is the very first building in Stockholm that used the Hennebeek method, developed by Francois Hennebeek, a Frenchman, and it's basically reinforced concrete. He pioneered this, and also he patented it. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you enjoyed this video and the first video about Centralbadet and about the chocolate cookie. Oi, oi, oi. Please support us on Patreon, Flaming Viking. And also you can find us the most colorful guide in Stockholm.com, flamingvikingtours.se, and at Instagram at the most colorful guide in Stockholm and at Flaming Viking. Have a great day. Thank you again.